doing a quick oil change on the Volvo. I think this is an s90. It is. You're only gonna need a few tools, very simple. You're gonna need an oil filter canister tool. You're gonna need a 17 millimeter and a oil drain pan. And if you don't have that, you could use a conventional oil filter tool, but beware, you could strip, break, or damage the canister. I've done this like a lot of times, probably like 40, 50 times. So let me show you real quick after. Alright, so just want to turn to the left. Now you can just do it by hand. Get my drain pan. I'm going to drain this before I take the oil canister off. It's about ready to come off. There it is. This canister. And this we can cut it loose with the tool. Still. Make sure you put it in the groove. So before and after you do the oil change, you have to take off the guard. I don't take off the whole thing completely. I don't take off this one, or this one, because I just pull it straight down on the lift. But if you're on the floor, you're gonna have to take off all of them, all the way around. There's probably like 12 of them, so I'm just settling everything back up. It's gonna be a Torx driver. I think it's a T27 or T30. It just depends what model you have, but it's gonna be either like a T27 or a T30, maybe sometimes a T25. I'm gonna go ahead and top this off. Now fill it up with oil with 6 liters or 6 quarts. Gonna hit it with 6 quarts of full synthetic oil. Make sure it's full synthetic. Alright, in order to reset the maintenance required light, it's gonna be on the dash. You're gonna hold this button down the entire time. Put the switch into the first position while you're holding this down. Let the screen load real fast. And then you're gonna put your foot on the brake and start it while you're still holding it down. And then you're gonna see like a little asterisk flash or a wrench. And then you're gonna let off the button that you're holding. Now it's been reset. It's really simple. You just hold this button down the entire time. Put the start stop switch onto the first position while you're holding this button down. Put your foot on the brake, start the engine. Hold this button, keep holding this button down. You're gonna see everything load. You're gonna see a little wrench or an asterisk, like a little exclamation point, and then you're gonna let go of the button, and then it's gonna say maintenance reminder reset, and then you're good to go. Appreciate you guys for watching this. Like, subscribe to the channel. Any support's appreciated. I don't have a lot of wrenching videos. Not that I'm not doing a lot of work, which I am. It's just because it's hard to film myself doing it, and like on the streets and my clients' houses, at the shop. But I'll start posting some more videos really soon, guys. Everyone have a blessed day. God bless everybody. Peace out.